Kids' families have to move because of the flooding.
Some kids have to go to a different school because of the flooding.
For an example, Minnewacan School parking lot is already flooded.
Some kids worry about how they will get to school when the roads are flooded. In our area, Highway 57 is at a risk of going underwater. Some kids have to travel on this water to get to school every day.
Some kids worry about how and how much time they will have to get out of town when the lake floods.
The stress that flooding causes farmers' kids is that they're losing land and money because they still have to pay for land that is underwater.
The end.
Thanks for watching.